Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Render dashboard for VPS-like services, beginner guide step by step clearly. To log into the Render dashboard for VPS-like services, first, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for Render's website. Press the Enter key to navigate to the site. Once the website loads, locate the Sign In button at the top right corner of the homepage. Click on the Sign In button to proceed to the login page. You will now see fields to enter your credentials. If you already have an account, enter your registered email address in the first field. In the second field, input your password. Before proceeding, ensure that you have entered the correct email and password. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link to initiate the password recovery process. After entering your email and password, click the Sign In button below the fields. If your credentials are correct, you will be redirected to the Render dashboard. In case you encounter any error messages, double-check your email and password for accuracy. If you cannot remember your password, follow the instructions sent to your email for resetting it. Once logged in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the dashboard layout. You can now access various VPS-like services offered by Render. If you need more assistance, Render provides documentation and support options on their website. Feel free to explore features available on the dashboard as you begin your journey. That concludes the login process for the Render dashboard. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.